Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this videos. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a Roblox game pass on your mobile. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to access the Roblox website using your browser that you are using in your device. So whatever a browser it is okay. And since you cannot do this or cannot make Game Pass on your Roblox app, we will do this on the website. Then again, access your website, and then after accessing the website, just log in into your account. And then in your account or after logging in, you should access the settings or click the gear icon that is located on the upper right corner of your screen. I'm so sorry, this is wrong. What should you do is to tap into the create portion of your Roblox game. And then in the creator hub, if you're on here on this part of the creator hub, what you can do is to click these three horizontal lines on the upper left part of your screen and then access your dashboard. And here in your dashboard, you should be able to see your different games here on Roblox, and then just access any game that you want to create a game pass with. And then after doing so, just let it load for a few seconds, and then after doing that, access again or tap again the three horizontal lines that is located on the upper left corner of your screen, and then just scroll down at the very bottom part, and then you should be able to see the passes under the monetization products. So tap into the passes section, and then in this section you should be able to see the different or the option that says create pass. So just simply tap the create pass, and you can just upload the image for your game pass, name it, and put it in the description, and just follow the different prompts that you'll need to do for you to create a game pass on your Roblox. You can create or you can set the amount that you want to sell the game pass with, how many Robux that you want to sell it. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.